Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to edit PDF file and how to convert PDF file to Word file full free in offline. It is very easy. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel. Let's start by installing LibreOffice in Windows 10 or your operating system. You will get the link in video description how to download and install LibreOffice in Windows 10. You must have an original PDF file and not PNG to PDF file. Now follow this video instruction. This is my PDF file. And I have installed LibreOffice already in my machine. So I am going to open LibreOffice. Draw. Okay, open it. See, this is my PDF file. First I am going to edit this PDF file. Okay, open PDF file in LibreOffice Draw. Okay, and if you want to edit any line, double click on that line or word. I want to change this name, so double click on this. You can move left right. Okay, you can remove image from your PDF file. Delete this and change this name. My name. Okay, now I am going to convert this file to PDF file with edited value, and see this PDF file and save this edited PDF file a different name. Okay, now open this PDF file and see the edited file. Okay, this file have no image, and this is my name is, and this is another name. Okay, I am going to convert this PDF file to doc file. It is very simple. Go to file and click on save as, or from keyboard Ctrl Shift S, and here unmark automatic file name extension, and here use a extension doc x and save this file. Okay, and see, this is the Microsoft Word document file. Thank you so much for watching this video.